Hi, welcome back to another episode of Crashing Dishes. Maui! Next, we make the dressing. We're going to need pepper, salt, Dijon mustard. A little weird the Greeks have Dijon mustard. Thought that was a French thing. Extra virgin olive oil, like myself. Red wine vinegar, oregano, and garlic. First, we start with the olive oil. Next, the red wine vinegar. Next, the Dijon. Next, we're having the oregano. With this, you're going to want to do a lot of... Next up, garlic. We are doing 2 minced, and then 2 with our nice little grater here. First thing you want to do is cut off each end. My favorite part. Beat the fuck out of it. Now we mince. You want to keep a flat hand on top so you have more control and you don't cut your entire fucking finger off. Now we add it to our mixture. Now, grater time. This guy fucks. Mix it in. Salt and pepper. Now we need to make the toppings. We're going to use olives, a red onion. We're only going to use about half of this. Feta, a cucumber. First, we're going to cut off each end because those parts do not taste very good in the salad. We want to strip all the plastic off. Remind of the gutter. First thing you're going to want to do is cut it lengthwise. Next, you're going to want to cut it lengthwise again. Now we take our noodles. Now let's mix it together. Ta-da! Now to the critics' reviews.
Bring me the salad.
Bring me a salad.
Bring me that.
It looks amazing. I see food. It looks edible.
Wow.
Good soup.
I would say it's a 10.
A solid 9.5. First impressions are it could be edible. You know, there's a huge chunk of onion here. You know, pasta looks a bit soggy. You know, there's 4 cucumbers. I'm kind of fat, so I don't eat vegetables. It's pretty good. It'd be a good 10 if I got more than 1 olive, so I'm gonna give it a 6.
Wow, what startling reviews. I'm so happy they liked it. I'm joking. I filmed this way before I actually gave it to them. I think it came out pretty good. It is bomb. The sauce did have like a little bit too much oil, but if you saw the video, you probably thought it tastes like a hot dog with how much Dijon we put on there. But no. One thing I'd probably change is the type of feta I used. I grabbed the raw feta. Usually I use a feta that's like a lot stronger. And thank you guys for watching this far.